Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this. I mean, this is not just a lunchbox, this baby is robust. I mean, it is built extremely well. Heavy duty, nice anti-slip feet on this thing, and I want to show you all what this can do because it's not just a lunch like your grandma used to make. This thing here actually would work out on campouts, it would work out on the job site, anywhere you don't have a microwave because it heats itself. You can actually turn this on, actually it's a 50-watt heating system in this, and enough heating capacity to heat up 3 separate meals. So that's really great. It does come with the USB-C charging adapter that you can use to plug into the front rather, to get it charged up. But you can actually on here set your temperature that you're wanting to have this heated up to, which is really great. You also have the ability to set a timer. Maybe you only want it to heat for 20 minutes. Maybe you want to heat it for 30 minutes. You got a lot of lasagna or something in there. And down here you actually have a timer function so that you can pack it up in the morning, set it and forget it, and whenever it comes time for lunch, you've got a nice hot lunch. That's not all. They actually send you with really nice eating utensils. These are some nice silverware, solid one piece, none of this fold out stuff. I mean, these things look like they're built to last. Loving that. Fit conveniently in there. Nice carrying case. Inside here, you have the little steamer vent lid, the ability to turn that to see what day of the week, so that you can know what day of the week it is. In here, look at that, 304 stainless. This is a robust heating tray, and they even send you with a divider. So if you're going to have some steak, maybe some mashed potatoes on that side there, you can keep that nice and separated. It's all heated using this uniform heating plate. Woo, and that heats up fast. I can hardly touch that. That is hot. And it's going to sit right into this recessed bottom on that. Heat that up evenly, which is absolutely fantastic. So this is a seal that's going to go on here. This makes this rugged and leak-proof, which is great. Then when you lock it in on here, you've got a wonderful carrying capacity that is going to go with you and work for many meals to come.